Okay, in this video, we're going to go over how to do symbology using plant names in the Calflora Observer Pro mobile app. So you can see the populations displayed by their name in the field. We're going to start, we've already set up a project and a saved search, so if you don't know how to do that, you check some other help docs. We're going to start by starting at the home page of the Observer Pro app. We're going to click History. We're going to go to the map. And here you can see the default color scheme. Actually, I'm going to change it to default colors. Here you can see the pink is observations that have polygons, and the purple is observations that do not have polygons, only have points. We can change the color scheme to management status, which is already available for us by default. There's also priority, which has not been entered for any of these observations, so they're all showing up white. And we're going to look at today is plant name. But if we click on plant name, we see the same as the default color scheme because we have not yet set up our plant name symbology. So we're going to show you how to do that. So we've switched to Calflora desktop website where we're in one of the weed manager tools called Project Setup. We can see we're in the Orange County Plants Biontopia group looking at the project Laguna Beach temp. Here's where you can link a saved search. Here at the bottom, you can see historical records for the phone. This is the records that will show in the history that we were just looking at on the mobile app. You can select any of your saved searches here, or you can use the default of all project records. We're going to use the saved search that has the same name, Laguna Beach Temp. This is a saved search. This is a project. They both have the same name. We're going to click Save. And then there's this run this search link that will let us see what this search is. This will bring up group observations where you can view and search all the observations within your weed manager group. So here you can see that we've got an area near Laguna Beach with certain priority plants showing, but they're all showing in a purple blue color. We can't tell what's what. So we're going to go into symbology, this little link above the map. We're going to click here where it says plants with icons, and we're going to start adding plants. And we're just going to look at the list down here for the plants that we need to add. So we got Oncocyphon, Stinknet. We're going to make that one yellow. Got the Brassica. And the third one is the Pennisetum fountain grass. We'll give that a pink color. And then we'll click display to test it out. So now we can see there's some green, there's some pink. They're hidden. So there's a yellow. So that worked. So now we need to actually save this color scheme as well. So again, we're just going to use the same name so that we can link all these together. We're going to click Save. Now when we go into this list up here, we may be able to find it in here. And we'll click Display again, just to make sure that it registered. So now we go up to the tools where we can find our saved searches. You'll see the saved search that we had run is already selected here. So all we have to do is click Save. And what this will do is it'll save the link of that symbology we just created on the color scheme, and it'll save that to this saved search. So that's what we have to do in order to load it into Observer Pro. So now we should be all set up. What we're going to do is switch over to the mobile app. So on the home page of the mobile app, if you click your email login and then click the refresh, it will refresh all the data for all of our projects. That's what we need to do in order to register the changes that we just made on the desktop. So we're going to let this run, and then we'll see what happens. And if you're on iOS, an iPhone, or iPad, then you can see there's a blue refresh link right here in the middle of the home page. You just click that, and then it'll start loading and refreshing your data on the iPhone app. So we finished our refresh update. We're going to click OK to go back to the home screen. Okay, so we're going to go back to our Laguna Beach temp project. Go back to history. And then we're going to bring up our map. And you can see it already defaulted here up above to the color scheme of plant name. And you can see the colors that we selected. The yellow is showing up here for the brassica. We got green, purple. So that's how you set up symbology by plant name. This will help you if you're doing a project with a number of different species and you want to differentiate between them while you're out in the field. You could set up a symbology legend like this in group observations as part of your safe search, refresh your data, and take this out in the field with you.